Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to convert your horizontal footage into a vertical format using Premiere Pro. The process is quite straightforward. To begin, you must modify your sequence settings. Locate your active sequence within the timeline panel, right-click on it, and select Sequence Settings from the menu. You need to invert the frame dimensions by swapping the values. Enter 720 in the width field and 1280 in the height field. Once adjusted, click OK on the prompt and then OK again to confirm the changes. Your video is now in a vertical aspect ratio, but it won't fill the entire frame yet. Select the clip, navigate to the Effect Controls tab, and increase the scale value. You can then use the position sliders to center your subject perfectly. For a better editing experience, switch your workspace layout by going to Workspaces and choosing Vertical. This enlarges the preview, making it much easier to manage your edits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.